Hello, hi, and good morning, everyone. So today our group are going to present about the ABZ solution. This is our group members, which only consists of two people, which is me, myself, and Nur Sazana Nazura. So let me first start with the introductions first. So ABZ Solution is a growing IT company based in Petaling Jaya. Recently, the company has been facing serious internal conflict between two key employees, which is Encik Hafiz, a senior developer known for being meticulous, following traditional methods, and very structured. And Afiq is a young, brilliant junior and developer who prefers fast, agile, and flexible ways of working. Because of their different work style and personalities, they constantly disagree. Encik Hafiz feels Afiq is too reckless and lacks discipline. Meanwhile, Afiq feels he is being micromanaged and restricted. This conflict has caused a breakdown in communications, low morale, project delays, and drop in overall performance. Now, let us look at the first perspective, which is Afiq perspective first, based on this slide. So the first is his main concern. Afiq feels that Encik Hafiz practices micromanagement. He is constantly being watched, supervised too closely, and told exactly what to do and how to do it. To Afiq, this feels like a lack of trust. He is used to working independently and values freedom, so being controlled this way makes him feel untrusted and unvalued. Second, the issue regarding work style and schedule. Afiq is a modern thinker. He prefers agile methods, working at his own pace, and does not like being tied strictly to a fixed 9 to 6 schedule. He believes creativity and efficiency come from flexibility. However, Encik Hafiz forces rigid traditional hours and rules. This causes strain on Afiq's work-life balance and makes him feel his ways of working is wrong, even though it produces good results. Third, his feedbacks on feeling. Afiq strongly feels that his creative input is undervalued. He has new ideas, faster ways to solve problems, and innovative solutions. But every time he suggests something, Encik Hafiz prioritizes following old procedures over result. To Afiq, this means the company cares more about how the work is done rather than what it is achieved. So for this slide, we're going to look at the situations from the Hafiz perspectives, the management side. First, his main concern. Encik Hafiz feels that Afiq's flexible and freestyle way of working shows a lack of discipline. To him, work should be structured, organized, and follow proper procedures. He sees Afiq's methods as too casual, reckless, and unprofessional. He believes without rules, quality cannot be guaranteed. Second, the main issue between them, there is a big misalignment in communication style and frequency. Encik Hafiz prefers quickly updates and fixed reporting so he can track progress and ensure everything is on track. However, Afiq prefers ad hoc updates, meaning he only reports when something important happens or when he is finished. To Encik Hafiz, he feels like he is not being kept informed enough and it creates uncertainty. Third, his feedback and observations. Encik Hafiz noticed that Afiq output quality is inconsistent. Sometimes the work is very good, but sometimes it does not meet the standard. Encik Hafiz judge work based on traditional standards and strict quality checks. He believes that because Afiq skips certain steps or processes to work faster, the quality suffers and becomes unreliable. For Encik Hafiz, structure, rules, and proper process are the only way to ensure success and quality. He sees himself as the one responsible for maintaining standard and keeping the work correct.
My part, I will explain about the strategies to solve the problem. First, one of the strategies that ABZ solution can use to solve the conflict is by improving communication between the employees. The company should organize regular meeting and feedback sessions so employees can discuss problem openly and respectfully. This is important because the conflict between Encik Hafiz and Afiq is mainly caused by misunderstanding and poor communication. Better communication can help both employees understand each other's perspective and reduce tension in the workplace. And another strategy is conducting team building activities such as workshops, group discussion, and collaborative project, and can strengthen the relationship among employees through these activities. Employee can learn to respect different personality and working style. As a result, teamwork and cooperation in department can improve. Besides that, management should also balance the traditional and agile working method. Encik Hafiz's structured approach is useful for maintaining quality and proper documentation, while Afiq's innovative and flexible approach can improve efficiency and creativity. Therefore, combine both methods can help the company achieve better productivity and create a more balanced working environment. And lastly, management should strengthen leadership and conflict management practices. Managers should monitor workplace conflict carefully and take action before the situation becomes more serious. Conflict management training and clear workplace rules can also help employees maintain professionalism and respect in the organization. The case of ABZ solution can be explained to several theory in organizational behavior, especially topic 3, perception and learning, 4, workplace attitude, and topic 5, motivation. First, the perception and learning. The conflict happened because Encik Hafiz and Afiq have different perception towards each other. Encik Hafiz believe that following procedure and traditional method can maintain quality, while Afiq believe that flexibility and innovation can improve work performance. The different view cause misunderstanding because both employees focus on their own way of working. Through learning and experience, they can develop better communication skills and understand that different approach can contribute positively to the team. Topic 4, workplace attitude. This situation can be related to the 3 components of attitude: cognitive, affective, and behavioral. The cognitive component refer to what employee believe. Encik Hafiz believe that structured methods are important, while I believe that modern approach can more effective. The affective component involve feeling, where Encik Hafiz may feel that Afiq does not respect his experience, may feel restricted by Hafiz management style. The behavioral component can be seen through their actions, such as poor communication and lack of cooperation. The attitude influence the overall working environment. Lastly, for topic 5, motivation, the conflict can be explained using Maslow's hierarchy of needs and Herzberg's 2-factor theory. First, according to Maslow, employees need fulfill different levels of needs, including belongingness, esteem, and self-actualism. In this case, the conflict affects employees' sense of belonging because they may feel uncomfortable working in a tense environment. They may also feel less respected and appreciated, which reduce their motivation. Based on Herzberg's 2-factor theory, such as workplace relationship, communication, and company environment, are hygiene factors that can affect employee satisfaction. However, the motivation can improve when employees receive recognition, support, and opportunity to contribute their idea. To conclude, the conflict at ABZ solution happened because the employees have different perception, attitude, and working style. By understanding perception, workplace attitude, and motivation theory, the company can identify the reason behind the conflict and find better solution. ABZ should improve communication, encourage teamwork, and create a positive working environment where employees respect and support each other. They can work better together and help the organization achieve better performance.